Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of make Ariana Grande's face on Dress to Impress. I'm like still sorting out her brow situation, so it looks mostly like her. I'm just going to go with this one. So for the eyes I use this one at the bottom here. For the eyebrows I use the second one to the left. For the mouth, for the lips, I'll just use this one here in this color, D47377. Then for the contour, I'll just use this one. You can kind of like mix and match it. Maybe use this one actually. Then for the nose, I use the new one here. And then I just grabbed some lashes here from Coats, this one, in the 7th toggle. And then positioned the Y at 0.49. And that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.